ask for a torrential downpour, and I think I've got it.
Yeah.
Nigels, you know, you pull in the...
Should we put a few more logs on the fire?
Oh, no, that's not a big anti one, is it? It's very wet. I think I'm going to...
Oh! And I'm not sure that the other ones...
I've got a feeling I haven't got into this correctly. Am I right? What? Oh, there's a hood there, is there? Oh, I see, yeah.
It might rain like this all day.
Right, exactly, yeah.
All night, too.
All night, too. All week.
Gee, what a thought.
I'm at the point where I don't care.
What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
Dancing and singing in the rain.
Where's Tony? Tony can tap dance.
But that is very good. She is not shuffling with a full deck.
She ain't, mate.
Watch.
Stop the rain, stop.
This is a wonderful moment.
Stop.
Let's do the dance again.
Stop, it's stopping. Stopping.
Stop.
It is stopping.
Stopping.
Stop.
Stop. Evoke your...
Stop. You can stop the music.
Stop.
Nobody can stop the music.
Stop.
Right, Tone.
Yep.
Stop tabulous,
Yeah,
mate.
stop tabulous. Stop a doodle-doo.
Oh, look, the kettle's boiling all over the fire.
Takes 5 minutes to stop.
Well, it would have stopped anyway.
Oh, ye of little
There's our
ways.
cynic again.
No, I'm joking.